Alden Richard update niya mamaya na ang The Coronation ng Miss Universe Philippines kung saan host si Alden Richards, yun no. Good luck kay Alden mamaya. And congrats kay Alden kagabi, yung BP Choice Award bilang Movie Actor of the Year sa pagganap niya sa 5 Breakups in a Romance. Congrats kay Alden. Ito may picture pa nga si Alden, post ni Chika Ness, and photobomber pa nga si Mama Ten sa likod. Congrats kay Alden. Magbabangan yung interview kay Alden sa 24 oras, sigurado. Kaya in-interview siya ni Dar Santiago. Kaya yung ganap ni Alden kagabi, Movie Actor of the Year yan. Sa BP Choice Award, kasama niya dyan si Mama Ten at Leisa. Tinawag na si Alden sa stage. Pero hindi siyang award sa isa sa mga aplika.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I think this is my second award for BP Choice Awards, and yung first time ko yata hindi ako nakapaglaban for tonight. I really made it possible to come here. To thank, of course, especially my supporters po for the vote that I have gotten po from the poll. Sila po yung nag-build and nag-effort to vote for me, and this award is for them. We'd like to dedicate this award also to yung partner ko po sa 5 Breakups in a Romance, si Julian Montes, and of course to our writer director, Director Williamore. And maraming salamat po for this award. And buhay po, Pilipino Pilipino. Thanks so much.
Alden Richards. Congrats. Parang may mga award ni Alden eh.
Alden ako si Catherine.
Binanggit na si Catherine eh. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para update po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.